Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking for the best Rearview Drive recorder in this video? I will show you the top 5 best Rearview Drive recorder to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 in our list is UHD 4K Dual Dashcam. Specifications: brand name, Dashcam. Aperture, 1.8. Weight, 500 grams. Maximum video frame rate, 30. Display, IPS. View angle, 170. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Video format, MP4. Number of lenses, 2. Display size, 3 inches. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Number 4 is 4K Wi-Fi touchscreen dual dashcam. Specifications: brand name, Dashcam. Weight, about half a kilogram. Maximum video frame rate, 30. Display, IPS. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Number of lenses, 2. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 3-5. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. As the item number 3 we've selected, Axio 4K card DVR mirror. Specifications: brand name, Axio. Maximum video frame rate, 30. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Video format, MP4. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX415. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 9.88 inches. Number 2 is Redtiger F7NP. Specifications: brand name, Redtiger. Aperture, f1.55. Weight, 0.7 kilograms. Display, LCD. View angle, 130 to 170. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Video format, MP4. Number of lenses, 1. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX335. Pixels, 1800 mega. Display size, 3-5. Interface, USB 2.0, Type-C. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Frames per second, 25. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Dashcam ZD47. Specifications: brand name, Dashcam. Aperture, 1.8. Weight, 0.65 kilograms. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 4:3. View angle, 170 degrees. Number of lenses, 2. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 3 inches. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech.